Give us a twirl. Very nice. The bruising is starting to set in on my knees a bit, getting a bit crunchy. So, and my wrist is still sprained. I don't think I can lift up any heavy wood today. So, I was planning to be doing some furniture making. Instead, we're going to go and make a little trip to Swindon. A friend of mine works somewhere where they're holding a Stitch event, so we're going to go and check that out. We're driving to Swindon, and it's like a Stitch event at Create Studios. We don't really know what to expect. Maya's been doing a little bit of like internet stalking, and she's found something that says Stitch Your Story, but we don't really know what to expect. So we're going to try and drop in, and then if it's not that kind of event, we'll just go shopping probably instead. You need trainers, right? So there we go. We've arrived. I think we're going to get wet today. Hope you got your raincoat. Hi.
Lovely to see you.
Yes, I'm Maya.
Hi.
My emails.
Yeah.
How's it going? I'm Josh, Maya's boyfriend.
Yeah, I mean, great to see you. Yeah, just
Men are welcome.
We were literally just saying.
Hey vlog, how's it going?
How's it going? All right?
We'll save the stitching for last because that's probably the thing that you came to see, right?
Yeah, that's what we're here. Yo, it's me from later that day. I wasn't expecting to see Tom there today, but it was good to see him. He works for Create Studios, and those are the guys that are hosting like the Stitch event. Create Studios are a production company, and they do some commercial work, but it's mostly community driven. It's got a lot of funding from the Arts Council. Their studio was recently moved into the renovated Swindon Works Centre. That's where trains were made back in the 1840s. The nearby shopping centre is also around that same sort of space, and they've sort of renovated all of the businesses around there, all of the buildings, I should say. And they've done it without kind of tampering with that iconic Victorian styling. It's like a super Victorian area, and it really sort of maintains that strong sense of character and like a high level of craftsmanship. It would probably make like a great location for like a steampunk movie or something. It was all built by my guy IBK, who I'll probably have to do like a whole vlog episode about. I feel a certain kinship with studio spaces that are built into old like railway infrastructure, because this building, my workshop and my studio, is also built into that sort of same space. This place used to be, it would have been a coal yard at one point, and the trains would reverse in and they would tip all of their coal into my workshop. So what's this? This space is just like a meeting space?
Meeting room, yeah. We do like meetings down here, and then...
So is the space shared between all of the different groups of people that work in here?
Just Create Studios.
This is just you guys?
Yeah.
Well, keep showing me around then, let's go.
So this is our history. This was a commissioned piece of artwork done by someone called Joe. And this is like, so we started in 1983, so...
Create Studios.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Wow.
Kiara's on there at the top. I think I'm on there like 4 or 5 times.
There you are right
And
there.
I'm like, I'm here, and I'm here. I don't know why I'm on it, and I'm up there. I'm here, like I'm on it. It's like 5 times.
It's just a bit too much.
Yeah.
You get to be the face of the company
I
then.
pretty much am, yeah.
I mean, technically, I get on there 1, 2, 3.
Joe's running the
Hi,
project.
nice to meet you.
Hi, Tom. Yeah. Hi.
And are these expressly like Swindon stories? Is that,
Yeah, they're
is that
meant
part
to
of the
be.
point?
They're meant to be about Swindon, but they're meant to be people's stories as well. So
Right, okay.
really, it's like they'll all be unique. No 2 stories are going to be the same. Even like some people are doing more than one bubble,
So we're going
Right,
but
okay.
then they're also going to be different. So yeah, possibly 95, 96 different stories.
Do you know how many of these are going to be on one flag?
So there'll be 12 stories on each banner.
Bit by bit.
There's 8 banners. So
You must be pleased it has turned out.
I made that 96.
Yeah, it's quite a lot. Yeah.
What we're doing here. No problem.
This is one of the original sort of ideas. We were going to have this shape at the bottom, but we're not now, as you can see. So this is the boundary line of Swindon. So we might put that in somehow.
vlog on this one.
Yeah, I think you're showing off.
It's not about how big it is.
It's not.
It's about how you use it, Tom.
compensating.
Look at this. This is ridiculous.
Be boxed and in place.
This is the war room.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
usually considerably tidier, but it's
Yeah, I want to see your desk. I want to see where you sit all day.
it's like these little messages that people left at our launch, which are really sweet. Probably not much longer than that for the bottom, and then obviously however long we need at the top.
Can you show me the backdrop tubes? So me and Tom are going to set up a backdrop wall just here. It's going to hold all of the backdrop rolls. So everybody's going to pop around some point soon, and we're going to use some black Velcro mat. I'm going to make a little holster for all of those right here. He's just trying to grab something down now.
I feel like I'm putting more than one down here. See, this is where they're currently stored,
Okay.
and it's
They are
not
really
fit
long,
for
aren't they?
purpose at all.
Thanks, Tom.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
See you, mate.
Soon. Very soon.
Bye-bye. The architectural elements around these places like Swindon Railway Station are like so much more impressive than the things that we make today. Look how ornate these light brackets are. Nowadays that would just be a straight piece of metal. But back then they used to really put some thought and some effort into the art and the styling of things. Check out this crazy old school bandsaw. You've got the old-fashioned flywheels, then you've got this really deep throat, and the band would go around this wheel, up through this casement, around this wheel, and then down, and then the blade's there. Those are the blade guides. This shopping centre has been integrated into the old railway station, and so they still have loads of the old fixtures and fittings everywhere. How can you not enjoy a really big steam train? It was fun to catch up with Tom, and we had a look around the outlet centre. We didn't find anything we liked though, so we're going to head back to the office now. It's another hobby night in the office tonight. Do you want to explain what you're up to?
This is from Tesco? Sainsbury's. So, well, I mean, it's not much of a jacket anymore. But once upon a time it was. It's been cut up to make patterns. And then this is the material that you're using, this quilt.
You see that?
Yeah, is it good enough? Can you wear it? Can you put it on and show me?
Probably get an election.
Maya's allergic to cats, and we think someone might have had a cat when she bought this from the charity shop.
I don't even know what it looks like.
It looks good. Yeah, it looks good.
Pockets and
Are you just putting the pockets on? Okay. So these are being sewed on now.
careful.
Yeah, that's good. Very nice.
I like putting Maya on the spot like that. Whoa! Don't trip over the needles, Josh. I'm still working on lampshades. So if you remember yesterday, we said we didn't like that you could see the white of the metal bar sticking through. See that? So now we're wrapping them. So I've just been wrapping this today. And then I'm also working my way down these poles. I've just got one left to do. Hang on, man. I need a tripod to explain this. So when you're developing a product, as I said yesterday, the only way you're going to find the inefficiencies is by doing the task multiple times. And what I've learned here is, yesterday we said, oh, we need to wrap both the top pole and the bottom and all the upright struts so that they don't poke through when we're doing this piece. However, what I've realized is we only need to do the bottom ring and the uprights, which hopefully should save a little bit of time. Right, work can't continue until I've got some biscuits or something, so I'm going to go get biscuits. You're going to stay here and keep doing this, right? See you in a minute.
Ciao.
I think they need to drill some holes in this step or something, because this is all flooding. Should have sloped it. Or drill holes. Bye.